Do you want to know the solution to cutting meat and other things with tons of juices? I'm Brittany with WTI, and these are the UFJEG titanium cutting boards, and they are perfect for cutting meat. They are non-toxic, double-sided chopping boards. The juice just sits on top. It doesn't slide off. It doesn't make a mess, and it's not going to soak in. You can just then wash it off with soap, with bleach, rinse it, and then use again. It's not only great for meat, cutting herbs, and vegetables. Whatever you're chopping doesn't slide or fall off. Anything that you need. It came with this awesome mat, which I use to put above my microwave so that I can have a safe place to put these cutting boards. This makes it easy for me to grab and use whenever I need. Because it's stainless steel, you are going to get a lot of fingerprints, so just use stainless steel cleaner. These are going to make them shine and look brand new. I love these, and that's my point of view.